Yo, today we are doing a ride out again after 3 months, and now we're moving to the ride out. Let's go! Dude.
Yeah.
Show them the Vesk. Show them the Vesk.
Wait, it's here. Our maximum speed was 77 kilometers an hour. When did
That's quite fast.
You're quite fast.
And Vesk kukirin T3. That's something new. Okay, today I'm with the Tiger Supra again. 5 kilowatts, 31 amps. It doesn't matter anymore. But today we have Streak with his dual Vesk controller master. That's a cool scooter. Nice build. Yo, I'm so excited. After 3 months is the first ride out. The winter is gone. The hot season is coming, and let's pull a wheelie to remember them who I am. Chat, I'm so excited. Today I'm again with the Supra, and I think I resolved the problem with the speed wobble. I just learned how to drive it properly. No way. My glove is stuck in the throttle. I hate this issue. Okay, Streak. That was unexpected. Yo, chat, we arrived at the skate park. Look at it. Who remembers this skate park? Oh yeah. Okay. Let's go, I mean. Oh, now I'm testing the Vesk T3. Yo! What? Okay. I will jump with the T3. Let's see. Okay. That has some power. Let's see. Yo, that's lightweight. Joy! It's overheating!
Oh my god! Dude, it's burning! Oh my god!
You're cooked! That's the whole point, you're just cooked. Forget Joy and Wheels, he's not important. Let's take the Supra. This is a Supra, dude, it's making... Exactly! Okay, let's go, let's throw some jumps with the Supra. I have to be careful because my glove is getting stuck on this throttle. I should get off my glove. Oh no, the front fender. The front fender. Let's see. Let's do it again. Let's see the big jump. I'm a bit scared. It's my first time on this. Whoa. Dude. I have to learn to use this balance point. What Rolex? I don't own a Rolex. Okay. Whoa! That's a point. I should not touch water. It's very slippery. Supra, baby. Streak! Dude! Okay. Let's see if I can do this drop. Okay. It's more. Yo, chat, should I do this jump with the Supra? It's like 1 meter. It's not that big. Okay, let's do it. I'm jumping with the Supra this drop. Let's do it. I'm doing it. Oh yeah, I did it. That was small. Dude, I need a bike. Yeah, Streak wheelie. Oh shit. That's not okay. Chat, show them, dude. Thank you. The handlebar has a play in it. I think I cooked the handlebar. Dude, now I have to pay for his Supra. Fuck it. Nah. Let's go.
You should pay.
Nah, I'm not doing it.
Oh wait.
That's... Whoa! Okay.
my first scooter, bro. Happy Wheels Real Life Edition. Check this out.
This is sounding like a dualtron. Okay. His e-ride is not starting.
Come on.
His e-ride is just cooked. Dude, you have some water in your e-ride. Yo, Steve, what do you think about that?
I think it's cooked.
Okay, we are going. The guy with the e-ride is pushing his e-ride Pro home. A brand new e-ride Pro, like it has only 500 kilometers. It's not that much. Go, go, go! No way! There are two on that scooter. Okay. Hey yo, how are you driving this master? Dude, it's so tiny. Okay, nice build anyway. Strick is trying to wheelie. No way, he's wheeling it. I didn't record it, but I repaired the play on that handlebar. Let's see if I know how to wheelie this thing correctly at 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, Joe is wheeling. And Strick, it's going fast. Strick! Oh yeah! Strick! We got Strick wheeling! Whoa! Nice, man, keep it up! Oh. Last time when I was there, this bridge was closed. Okay, everyone is pulling a wheelie, and why I'm staying? Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, Strick with the masker is doing a top speed run. No way. This rideout is wild. Okay. Okay, Supra. Dude. Dude. No way. Whoa. Dude, we crashed.
There is no way we crashed into each other.
Okay, you're loose. You're okay?
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
You're hurt?
All good, all good, all good.
Okay. The Supra, baby, don't cry. It's his fault. Another guy just came back. No way. Yo, Strick retrieved his Simbus. Yo, I'm gonna do a top speed run on the T3 with an Vesk. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. This scooter feels so smooth. I'm willing the Vesk. I'm willing. Dude. Okay, 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 with the 3-3 wheelie. Vesk wheelie, whoa! Oh yeah, he took my Supra. He's nailing it. It looks so good. Just look. Look at. Okay. It has RGB lights. Okay, I'm back on my Supra. This is much better. Okay, okay, okay. Wheeling behind the car. That's something else. My prime is coming back. The winter time is going. Oh yeah. And up. Oh. This Supra is a wheelie machine. That's the only thing I can say about it. Oh yeah, Supra. My prime is coming back on a Supra. Oh yeah. I'm so happy. I'm feeling. Right now I feel like I'm driving my old G4. It's this Supra. It gives. This is the vibe. Look, Chad, look. The Supra is giving me the G4 vibe. I'm wheeling non-stop, dude. At high speeds. And I don't care. I just don't care. 50 kilometers per hour wheelie. Oh yeah! Oh, yeah, man! Oh yeah! Supra! Yo, Strick! How are you? What do you think about my wheelie skills? Let's go, everyone! I will teach you. I will do a video tutorial in one day. Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! Dude! Look at this crash car! Yo, dude!
Yeah.
Crazy Vesk right there.
Crazy best, right?
Right. It has wings.
I love the wings.
Dude, it has wings! Look at this wheelie. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, was a failed wheelie. Okay, I'm with the Vesk scooter again. Dude, your phone is falling. Yeah. Goodbye, Vesk. Okay. The third car. The third security car. Okay, that's... I think that was the video at this point. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye!